I will show you how to create a WhatsApp link that people can use to send you direct message to your WhatsApp with a customized message. So if you're a digital marketer, I want to create a WhatsApp link that people can use to send a customized message to place order or to buy your services on WhatsApp directly. Then make sure you watch this video to the end.
Go to your Google Chrome, then type WhatsApp link generator. So type WhatsApp link generator on your Google Chrome or any browser that you are using. So you're going to click on this first one, create WhatsApp link. So you're going to click on that one. It's going to bring you to this interface. So you scroll down until you see create your free link here. So here you change it to your country. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to change it to Nigeria. Then I'm going to type my WhatsApp number here. So make sure that you type your WhatsApp number correctly, because if you make mistake, that means it will not work. So you can remove the first 0 that is on your WhatsApp. So keep it like this. Then here you're going to enter customized message. So you're going to enter the message that you want people to send to you. So once you have entered the customized message that you want people to send to you directly on WhatsApp, then next you can preview. If you want to preview it, you click on preview. Now to generate that link, you click on generate my WhatsApp link. So you click here. So just give it some time to generate the link for you. So it has generated the link for me. So you are going to click on copy link. You are going to copy the link. Then you can go and paste it somewhere. So this is the link now. If I click on this link now, you're going to see that. So this site is going to load once they click on that link. So it's going to load like this. So this is the message that people will send to you.
So this is how to create a customized link that people can use to send you direct message to your WhatsApp with a customized message. If you got value from this video, do well to like this video, share this video, and follow me for more tips like this. If you are watching me from YouTube, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.